Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a tutorial on how to remove the side door of a Fiat Doblo, this size, which is the normal size of a Fiat Doblo. This is a 2024 model, and the things you need to pay attention to is the first part here, which is the electrical wiring of the door. This small black piece here, which is used as a stopper for the door. This black plastic rubber. And the rear panel that has to be removed in order to reach inside and remove the last part. The tools that we are going to be using, it's a number 8, I don't know how this is called, which goes up here to the rubber protective, to the rubber, and a T30 tool which looks like this. And without any further ado, let's remove this door. Carefully remove this part, this screw. Then you will see this fuse here. You move this orange clip, then you press this clip up, and this is off. Now continue by removing this. Now continue using your T30 tool to remove this small screw here. The screw is off. With a flat screwdriver and a hammer, gently remove the part. Lastly, you need to remove this plastic part here. You start with the screwdriver and you can slowly remove it with your hands. Last things to remove before taking the door off is these screws here, the short one and the long one. Now that all of the parts are removed, you can slowly start moving the door aside, and as an end result, the door is off. Yoo-hoo.